Y'all, when I say they came through with the jewelry pieces, they came through with the jewelry pieces. Hey y'all, welcome back to my video, and if you're new here, hey friend. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all some custom jewelry by SILVIAX. But before we get into this video, I'm gonna need y'all to hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, because you're gonna wanna stay. Also, if you're not a part of the notification gang, what are you doing? Go ahead and click that bell so that way you can see when I post videos. Now, let's get into it.
Take it on your camera phone. Get a little back. You watch me back down. Yes.
Now, I want y'all to see this jewelry SILVIAX customized and sent to me. So we are gonna open it together. It's my first time opening it. So I actually was sent 3 items. This is what the packaging looks like. And let's open it. So this is something that you're gonna use to clean the jewelry. And y'all, look at these earrings. Oh my God. These are super cute. These are custom made with my name. So we gonna try these on, y'all, so y'all can see. Let me take these other ones off so y'all can really see like how these look. These are so cute. So this is a closer look at my earrings. They say Yazzie. I feel like this jewelry is perfect for gifts, for adult gifts or kids. Like, I really want to get my daughter some earrings now, okay? Like, y'all. And I love how they come with this thing, so that way I can clean it off if I want to. And I just love packaging. I'm a packaging girl. I'm an aesthetics girl, so I love the fact that even this has their name on it. So next we're gonna open up another box. And what do we have here? We have a Cuban bracelet, y'all. This is super cute, y'all. So this is what it looks like outside of the packaging. This is just gorge. When I say gorge, I mean gorge. So let's put this on. And what I love about this custom jewelry is you can measure your neck or measure your wrist and you can get it fitted just right. Y'all, when I say they came through with the jewelry pieces, they came through with the jewelry pieces. So to put on and take off this bracelet, what you do is you use these latches and you just clip it like so. Look at that, y'all. Look, shining, okay? So yeah, my next piece is definitely going to be a necklace that matches this bracelet. Ain't no doubt about it. Speaking of necklaces, let me show y'all the necklace I got picked out, okay? They got me hyped, y'all. Y'all, look at that. First of all, not only do I have a Yazzie necklace, but y'all know I love butterflies, and I had them add a butterfly to it. Oh my God. Okay, we're gonna put this on. Y'all, look at this necklace. This necklace is so cute. It's the detail for me. I love this necklace. I love the detailing they use when customizing these necklaces, like in these pieces. Like, look at this necklace. Not only is this a good gift, but it's affordable. SILVIAX is actually affordable. So y'all, when I tell y'all go shop SILVIAX, go shop SILVIAX. Matter of fact, use my discount code, boo. Use it, okay? It's gonna be on the screen. So you are gonna get a 20% discount using my discount code on the screen. Yazzie20 for 20% off. So yeah, make sure you take advantage of this deal. All of this jewelry will be linked below, okay? Like every single one, from this bracelet to these earrings to this necklace. All of it is gonna be individually linked below, okay? Matter of fact, I'm gonna show you where to go, okay? Let me show you where to go real quick. Look, all y'all gotta do is go to SILVIAX.com, okay? This is where you can get personalized jewelry, you can get necklaces, you can get photo projection necklaces, initial necklaces, two-tone name necklaces, even couple necklaces. For instance, if you got a anniversary coming up like moi, you can get a necklace for your boo, okay? Matching necklaces. You can even get birthstone necklaces, okay? Like, the options are endless. Like, they are definitely personalized jewelry. They are definitely customized jewelry. You can even get bracelets, you can get earrings, you can get anklets. And then you can get non-personalization necklaces as well if you don't really want it personalized. They also have sets, and they have it to where you can shop by category. So like I said, it ranges from Mother's Day gifts all the way to Halloween gifts. And the best part about it, it's affordable. You can get jewelry under $50, you can get jewelry for under $100. And make sure y'all use my discount code for 20% off. But yeah, if y'all are interested in pieces like this, y'all need to go ahead and go to SILVIAX and purchase some jewelry. Don't forget to use my discount. Thank you all for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to give me the big thumbs up. Also, if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Go ahead and click that subscribe button because you're gonna wanna stay. Also, if you're not a part of the notification gang, then what are you doing? Go ahead and click that bell so that way you can see when your girl posts videos. Until next time, mwah!